Hey everybody, it's Kaylee, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, I sound weird because I never ever wear my retainers, which is really bad, but oh well. So I'm obviously in a new setting because I changed to my room again, but I did my eyebrows with the Kat Von D Walnut Pomade, and so far I really like this pomade and it's really nice. And let's get on with this tutorial. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Anastasia primer. This is the eye primer and this is the bigger one. I like it actually. I remember in my past video I was like, why does it like squish out a lot? And eventually it stops doing that, which it does waste a lot of product, but this product is actually really good. I like it just as much as I like the MAC pomade or whatever it's called. I mean primer. Sorry, I can't think right now. It's too early in the morning for that. So once I have everything primed, I'm going to be taking my, Morphe 35H palette. This is an artistry palette and I don't know about this palette. Well, I like the colors. I really like Morphe, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be a great palette. But it's my first time ever using this palette. And then I'm going to take this shade right here on my Morphe M514 brush. And so far it has fallout, as you can tell, but that's clean upable. And this is why I'd rather do my eyeshadow first than my face first. And now I'm blending it and swiping in circular motions. And wow, this palette actually has a lot of fallout, but the pigment payoff is worth it. So, topic. I start Cosmo tomorrow again. I'm so excited. I have 1,151 hours. So I just need one more semester and then I'm going to do my state board test. Hopefully I pass the first time. I think I will because I'm going to be studying a lot. And I have like 3 months to study for it, so I should be good. But I think it's like I think there are like 32 chapters, I believe, that I have to study with. And I've been practicing so far, and so far I'm pretty decent. Oh my god, you can see all my like wrinkles and that and that. Oh my god, this is horrible. So then I'm gonna go in with this shade in the palette. And then I'm going to deepen it with, this shade. So we're going for a more warmer look today. And I like using the same brush because as long as I dust it off, it should be fine. I uploaded last week and I'm so far uploading once a week, which is really good. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe because I'm really trying to hit 500 by the end of this year. I barely have like 152, so I'm really trying to do YouTube. I really like YouTube. And I feel like this is where I can show my creativity on YouTube. So I like YouTube a lot. Okay, so after that I'm going to do my lid shade, and I don't want to do anything too dramatic because this is a new job I just started. So I just want to go there looking like cute, subtle, and little, you know? But I'm going to go with this shade right here on my Ulta Beauty Frida Kahlo brush. I literally bought the brush set. It was only $30 for like, I think it was 4 brushes or 5 brushes. But I really like them brushes. They're really nice, actually. And that's why I like the Ulta brushes. I think they're really nice brushes. I really like the It brushes too. Those are really nice. And I like the BH Cosmetics brushes. And I just bought brand new beauty creation brushes, but I'm going to review that on my next video. It's going to be uploaded next week. I like these brushes because they're really like dense, so they could pack on a lot of color, and they're really soft too. So I know I don't really do like colorful looks on my channel. I think they're colorful. But I'm going to start doing natural too. I'm going to do Get Ready With Me. I'm going to do a lot of stuff like that. And if you guys want me to do more different type of looks, just DM me on Instagram, comment on the comment section below. You know the use. And since I'm going to be making me more natural, I'm probably going to be doing freckles just to make it a little, you know, oomph. And I think freckles are really cute. And then I just cleaned all my fallout with the makeup remover. This is from Sam's Club. These are really good. And you get a lot for an affordable price. I think it's like $17. I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's a really good price. I just threw it in the trash. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. I really like this primer, but I like it for certain foundations because the Urban Decay foundation that just came out, it doesn't work well with. I noticed it kind of makes it kind of patchy. The Wet n Wild foundation, the stick foundation, it doesn't work out with. But I feel like it doesn't work out with like really dewy foundations. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. This is in the shade 02A Creamy Natural. So I'm using my square foundation brush just to apply it on my skin. And then I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh Spray. So I'm just going to spray this all over. And then I'm going to blend it with Ulta Beauty with the Frida Kahlo brush set, foundation one. So the powder that I used to set my face was the Coty Airspun powder, and now I'm taking the Studio MAC Fix pressed powder in the shade NC20, which is my foundation shade for MAC. And then I'm taking this BH Cosmetics brush in the shade number 2, and I'm just setting the rest of my face by patting it into my skin. So after I did that, I'm going to bronze with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And this is the one, I definitely could not read that, but that's what it says. And I'm taking the same brush that I used to dust off the bake, just because it's big and it blends very good. And then I'm just going to add a little more life to my face by dusting the rest of the bronzer over it a little bit. So after I do all that, I'm going to go in with the Milani Blossom Time Rose Blush. And I really like this blush, and it's pigmented and it's really nice. And I'm going in with the same brush, and I'm just dusting it on my cheeks, my nose, and yeah. And then for my under eyes, I'm using this shade right here with the same brush that I used earlier. And then to set my face, like to make all my powders sink in and everything like that, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then I just fan it with anything. This is my betta fishes. Like, this is literally my betta fish's hammock. Trash. But I use it because I don't have anything in my room to use, so oh well. I need to get a fan. Man, I'm lazy. And then my second setting spray I use is the NYX Bear With Me one. It does the job and it sinks my makeup, so I really like it. And it's like $10. And then my last one I'm using is the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. I really like this one, and this combo with these three, or even with the MAC and the NYX and the Revolution, it really works. And I got it to pull my makeup, and my makeup just came out and it looks fine. It looks good. For freckles, I'm just using the Anastasia's Soft Brown Pomade, and I'm taking like a lipstick applicator, and I just barely tap it, and it makes small little circles that look like freckles. I don't know if you can see them. They're really small. And then after that, I'm gonna go over it with a little bit of powder so they look more natural. And then for highlight, I'm using the Tribe Highlight Volume 3 from Juvia's Place with my BH Cosmetics No. 5 brush. And then I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Misting Setting Spray again. And then for my lips, I use the By Sake lipstick. And I think it's really dark lipstick, but it looks kind of cute, you know? So for lashes, I just used the A06, I believe. Or maybe the A22, I don't know, this has 2 stickers on it. I think it's A06. But yeah, I just used that and I glued it on with the Duo Lash Glue. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social media that I put down below, and thank you for watching. Bye!